Welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into an exciting technological marvel, Microsoft AutoGen. This open-source Python framework has gained momentum since its launch in September 2023, with almost 900,000 downloads and contributions from over 290 developers. AutoGen allows for creating modular AI agents capable of collaborating on complex tasks, ultimately leading to smarter automation and decision-making. Imagine the impact of having these adaptable agents automate workflows across various industries like finance, advertising, and software engineering. Aren't you curious about how they could redefine productivity in your field? So, what's unique about these AI agents? They're not just enhancing productivity. They're designed to engage in structured conversations, allowing them to collaborate effectively to achieve common goals. Think of an assistant agent that can debug code or a user proxy agent that simulates user behavior for testing. This versatility means these agents can automate lengthy processes that previously required human intervention. For instance, a recent case in healthcare demonstrated how an AI agent could manage patient appointments, thus reducing scheduling conflicts by an impressive 40%. With such efficiencies, your day-to-day operations could become significantly smoother. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another fascinating area: self-healing coatings. This innovative technology not only protects surfaces but can also autonomously repair damages. By utilizing advanced materials, self-healing coatings mend scratches and cracks on their own. With a projected market growth from $3.16 billion in 2024 to $38.51 billion by 2034, the demand predominantly arises from the automotive sector, where manufacturers are integrating self-healing layers into cars. Simply imagine your vehicle recovering from minor scratches in real time. How cool would that be? This technology can revolutionize maintenance costs and enhance product durability, making it a game-changer in various applications. What about the potential of AI in optimizing network management? The emergence of self-organizing networks, SUN, is making waves, especially as the world transitions to 5G and beyond. These networks are designed to minimize the need for human intervention by automating configuration, optimization, and healing processes. A report highlights that with these technologies, telecom services can expect operational costs to drop significantly. For example, one study demonstrated an 18% reduction in downtime for a major carrier after implementing SUN, showcasing the concrete impact of AI in enhancing reliability and efficiency. It just goes to show how vital these systems will be in managing the increasing data traffic we anticipate in the future. If you're wondering how to integrate these advancements into your organization, you are not alone. Investing strategically in AI infrastructure and understanding the potential return on investment is crucial. Research by IDC reveals that every dollar spent on generative AI can yield an astounding $3.70 in returns. So, by embracing AI, you're not just keeping pace with technology, you're setting your company up for tremendous growth and innovation. Whether you're in marketing, operations, or customer service, AI can enhance your workflows and maximize productivity, allowing your teams to focus on what truly matters, driving your business forward. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to take a moment to say how important it is to foster a community around these advancements. Building a space where we can share experiences and insights about AI allows us to grow as innovators. Your feedback is vital to our evolution, so please share your thoughts and suggestions. Let's engage in a mutual learning journey as we explore the many facets of artificial intelligence and automation together. Remember, your experiences in this tech-driven landscape are valuable, and this channel aims to be a platform for discussion, learning, and innovative practices that can uplift us all.